Hi everybody, Brandon Minnick here, and today we are talking about the .NET MAUI Community Toolkit. The .NET MAUI Community Toolkit is an open source NuGet package that's created by community members just like you. It contains all sorts of helpful extensions, behaviors, converters, UI elements that you can use and easily add to your .NET MAUI app today. Now let's take a look at how to use one of those in our app. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a brand new .NET MAUI app. So once you've installed .NET 6 and the .NET MAUI workloads, we can type .NET new MAUI, and I'm going to give it a name and call it Community Toolkit Sample. And so that'll create a folder for me called Community Toolkit Sample, which we'll jump right into. And then let's also open it in Finder here. So here in Finder, you can see all the files included in this template. And so what I'm going to do is take this folder, open it up here in Visual Studio Code. Now, the first thing we want to do is add the Community Toolkit NuGet package. So to do that, I'm going to go into the CS proj file, and I'm going to add in the NuGet package manually. Now, if you're using Visual Studio, you can also right-click on the solution, say Manage NuGet Packages. This basically accomplishes the same thing. So the NuGet package is called Community Toolkit.maui, and the current version that's available today is version 1.0.0-pre2. Now that we've installed the NuGet package, we can add the Community Toolkit code into our app. So let's jump into this main page.xaml here. First things first, we want to add in the namespace for the .NET MAUI Community Toolkit. And to do that, I'm going to add it up here. Converters XML namespace. This is the Community Toolkit.maui.converters namespace that comes with the Community Toolkit.maui assembly. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to add another row to this grid for our new label that uses this converter. And let's put that new label here in row 4. So label, that'll go in grid row 4. And then we can add in our converter. So this label, what we're going to do is we're going to add this name click me button to this button right here. So this is in the sample app. This is the button that says click me. So what better name to give it than the click me button? And this label will bind to that button, specifically that button's background color. And the converter we've added, this right here is from the toolkit. We can say converter equals converters color to hex RGB string converter. Now what this converter will do is it'll display the hexadecimal value of that button's background color. So let's go ahead now and run this and see how it looks. So there we have it. We have the label displaying the hexadecimal value of this button's background color. So if you're curious, yeah, the .NET purple, turns out its hexadecimal value is 512 BDF. Thanks so much for joining me today. Everything can be found in the link below at my blog, codetraveler.io. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.